Hello, hello,
Hello guys. Hello guys. So welcome to the new session stream, guys. Come on, guys, join first. Mhm. You can see this. I am told you about these things. That's the price was create the liquidity for the buyers. The price was create the liquidity for the buyers, and price was go down. The sweep this liquidity price was go down up for this area. But we are not tap our buying area. Buying area is over there because that's the more liquidity for these buyers. So price was come to this area and it will become this level. So I will sort the market above this area to the market was down from here. Either I will wait for this area to price was come to this level and price was goes for there. So that's my clear plan for the same. And I am waiting for the whole London session for this. I have no entries and no trades and I'm waiting for this. Okay. So 15 minutes there away that shows you can see this for the downside. So 15 minutes we are go. So you can see this that's the level. Other I can set the free area also this the high to this low. So we will find a good level is the zone 607. So I think I am also selling entries. Put the selling entries over this zone and how many risks plus check this. That's a very small risk also. So we are see this in the level, how the market will be reacted. So I will mark for that the NYC session. So you complete the 15 likes target on this stream. I'm told you. You can please complete the 15 like target on this stream, guys. And complete the subscriber, one subscriber, so I give you the good trade on this stream. Okay. There have been market have been no level at this time. That's the only the level. Either you waiting the markets. Okay. That's the two level. Is that or is that? I am very interested for the only on this level. I am very interested for this level, but this level also in the 15 minutes. So I will see this how the market will react on this. That's the supply area for the market because you can see this the market is the break the support area for the intraday, and that's also the choose in the 15 minutes. So that's the level I am thinking for this. Okay, that's the 15-minute time frame analysis, and I'm going with this also. Okay, guys, and you can see this that's the buying was come from the candles, and it's a good entry level also. More than 5 watching. Please complete the like targets for this stream, guys. And which pair you trade you told me also. Okay. That's only level I will right now in my hands. That's a 5 minute A plus area. But you can see this, that's the tab right now. This 15 minute hidden order block. You will understand the strategy, so you understand why I marked this level. And there's a pure bridge is here, so market will be easily go through this zone. So that's the very important area. Just watch the market first on this zone, okay? So you have 5 minute zone. Either it was not respected, so I am wait for my level, okay? You can see this, that's a beautiful rejection from this the 1 minute area. And that is also the fib area. You also the set this, so you can see this, that is the also good fib area. You can set the fib also this area. That's the golden price at now, the very golden area. But it is the very smooth swing areas. Price was trapped. But that is the good zone. We will see this, but that I would the first try this the 5 minute candle how the react on this zone. Okay, this 5 minute candle was closing at this zone. It's the bearish candle, so I should be. But one thing, you can see this the structure will be change over this zone. Just beginning spiking creating here, and you can see the 1 hour candle is the same as the that. That's the open this level and it closed the same level. So it's the confirm that the market is the very range. So the trade is very smartly, but that zone is the good. I'm thinking this 5 minute area. It respected okay. Otherwise, I'm trade about this area. Okay, so it's closing very good. That's the doji candle close, and it's the indicate the good. So I think that's the entry points. But there are some risks on this trade. So we are going with this. That's a 100 piece word. So that's I giving you the first trade. Okay. The 4 hour candle closing already done. 1 hour candle closing done. It's the top wick, create the top wick. It's the doji candle, 13 minutes candle. I'm told you one thing, guys. You don't trade. Okay. We are don't trade on this level. Because I think that's the trap the market, the sellers. Because that's the FBGs was pending here. 15 minutes there were no level. That's the level. I have removed it. We are don't go with this. But that's the now the good areas. So I'm wait for this our this level. Okay. I know that's the trap the market. And because you can see this, that's a good order block and the good silver candle will be here. So market will on come to this area and take the order and fall from here. And either it if you can go with this candle, so market will trap you. So we are not trapping by market. So I'm waiting for that. I am not going with this. It's the invitation the buyers, the buyers themselves both. You can see this. That's the buyers liquidity. Understand that you can. That's the buyers liquidity. That's the buyer's liquidity. That's the buyer's liquidity. And also this buyer's liquidity. So market will come to this point of area and market will be sell off from this area. That's our expectation for this the analysis sessions. Uh, wait for that how the market will be react. I'm going with the 5 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes or 5 minutes is the best. This 15-minute candle closing and tap our area, and that's the also the 15-minute A plus zone also. I want the price at come this area, and that's a very beautiful area for the sell the market. Okay, there are no more gaps, no more filling, nothing will be pending here. So everything will be due after the tap this zone, and it's after the price was tap this zone with a good candle, the bearish candle. I was definitely the confirmation candle was creating over this zone. I definitely go with the trade. Okay, I definitely go with this trade. Because I wait for the so I'm waiting for the today morning the London session. I'm not trade any kind of level. So we are risks on this. Definitely we are risk take on this the level. Okay. And this risk level, how many risks also here? That's the 15 pips I'll be entry over this the some big risks also I taken on this one. So I'll manage my trade very easily. And it is the very golden zone also is that that's a 5 minute A plus. Okay. But I want the price was closing up to this area, fill this gap and tap this the 15-minute A plus zone and price was fall from here. That's my expectation. That's I want already. Okay. Mhm. Today live stream is clear, guys. I think today live stream is the very clear. Hmm? Price may be close above this area. I'm also totally true that price was close above this area. So I'm entry my shorts. I'm going for my short entries. Otherwise, wait for that because that's the liquidity and that's the selling area also. So I am waiting for that my level. Otherwise, the price was closing above this soon, good candle. So I will go for that. Okay, that's a good spike. It's come to this area to beat the orders, and he is at now the our level also. But I want the price at come this level. And guys, you can also see this one thing. A good the price at the good zone. So you can also see this the how the trap the sellers also here. So that's why I am waiting for the good confirmation. I am not going with the direct. Okay, that's why I am removing my RR. But that time price was tapped a good level. But I want the price had come to this level and tap the our order block because that's the A plus zone. And it rejected from this area very beautiful. It closing above this area. So I definitely that's the choice confirm. So I will go with this trend line zeros. Okay, and it will be getting good sign. That's the golden zone for the fave areas. So that's the two good confirmation areas. That's not. With respect our area, you can see this. That's the dual time confirm. This dual time told out the price was very confirmations on this area. Okay, just what guys. I am start my broker charts. It indication for the good for the bearish side. So I will take the risk for the first trade. Okay, we are entries. We are entries. That's the big risk what you can take in for your target level is. Economy. What do you think about market was the playing with market is playing with everyone right now. That's the consultations problem, guys. But that's a good indication for the engulfing candle created. So I risk on that 5 minutes. So guys, I'll entries on this area, okay? And that is my target. That is my SL point, and I'm with my 1:3 trade, okay? That is my target level, that 1:3. Okay, just entries your over this one because I'm giving you the first trade of the uh, day, okay? Day. That's the first trade we are entries, and that's our risk-free area, okay? That's our also risk-free area, and that's the very market was very fast. So let's try this, and it's the selling was come through this area, so it's a very good selling will be come from this. That's the first trade I taken because the from morning to I don't take the any trades, guys. Just the take my first trade. I take my first trade on a day, and it will be if you can see this, that's the good moving. You will be risk free over this area, okay? You will be risk free over this area. That's the good candle form. So I'm thinking the price will be going downside because that's also the trap the buyer seller's first trap, and the good candle will be fit an indication for the downside. Price will come to our area, okay? So I'm waiting for this. Let's see this how the trade will be. That's the 1:3 trade. That is the 1:1. That's the 1:1 area where that's the 1:1 area. We can see this market, but that is too. So you can risk free over this area, okay? It's a very fast market will be moving. You can check your the broker charts. That's a 31 pips right now. Good, good. Price was come. 35 pips. We are reached the 40 pips. So we are exit the half lots on this area. Price at now the 35 pips zone. So you will be, I think, you will free your trade. So reduce your SL for this area. Okay, 35 pips. So you can, it's called out the 35 pips. So it's the risk free. Okay. Risk-free rate, it is now the 40 pips zone. The first trade for the morning, that's the 40 pips. You can see that's the given the pure 40 pips on this area. That's the price was giving only the 40 pips. That's the 1 is to 1 trade. You can see this. So you will go with your 1 is to 3. Okay, that's the 40 pips zone. So the very market fast moving at this time. You can see this also. So that's the trade was on. So let's see this. While some reduce the SL for this zone. Okay, so it will be pullback. So it's okay. It will be the more than phase will be here. So it will be pullback from it will be come from here. Either it will be reverse for this hour this zone, and it will be giving the 40 pips right now. Okay, that's a risk free. The big no more big risks will be have we are okay. Trade with the 5 minute candlestick. It's a good for that. I want the price. I will be risk free, so I am hold my trade. Okay, so it's the come on this area. So my TP will be come through this areas. Okay, that's a big sell of areas. So let's see how the NIC the playing, and that's my target level 100 pips. So I will giving that's my expectation. The selling will be come, so the price will be come up to the this buying area. Okay, and that's my target level. So I will accept my target on this zone. Okay, the 15-minute candle closing is most important for the bearish candle was closing is that time we are want. Okay, and the 30-minute was doing everything. You can see this. That's the 1 minute closing the 30-minute candle. So is that very important for the 15-minute candle was closing the bearish candle. It was closing the green, so that's the unfavor for our trades. Okay, and that's a risk fee. So we are going with this. So let's say attach our the SpaceX rocket. You can what to told you about this guys. At the SpaceX rocket, what the price was going down. At this, you can see this that the sell off will start. So I'm waiting for this. That's a good. You can see this. Oh boy, what the candle was print. That's the 55 pips right now. Go and watch which streamer will giving this time. Wait for the whole day, guys. How the market will move from there. That's the level, guys. Please like this. You could see this. The how the market the 16 pips moves. Oh, how the market will be moved from this level, guys. I'm waiting for the book, guys. You book your more lots. It's the goods price was moving. How the 70 pips, guys. 70 pips on a stream, guys. The whole day we are waiting for this the trades. It's a 75 pips, sorry. That's a 75 pips price was moving. Oh, oh my God. You can see this, guys. You can see this. You can see this. How the price will be fall. That's a 91 pips. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the spike, guys? 98 pips. Is that? Oh my god. How the price is reacting? You can see this. You will be booked the more pips because the price was moved to 98 pips. Okay. The price was moved and more than 98 pips. How the market will be from there? The risk free or trade, guys. Break even said above this area. You set your break even. The price was good moving. How about the beautiful trade of someone? That's our trade. So that's a risk free. You can set your break even here. Either you will be trading as well for the 20 pips. So it's called the risk free call. Okay. I think you can go with the 20 pips risk. So price was some pullback up to this area. I think that's my knowledge was told about. The price was come to this area and price was sell from here. Why the sale price? You understand, you know this. You understand this why the price was sell from here. So you will be commented here, and I will definitely told you. And I know the price was sell from here. You can see this how the market will be react from this areas, guys. The price was sell from this early 98 before stream, guys. It's a good price was moved. You can book here. I think you will be smart. You will be book here the 80% quantity because the market was very fast. 80% quantity book here, guys. I've told you the price was sell from here. You can again the price has come at the 66 pips level. You can book your. You can see this that is 80 pips. You can see this. That's my words in my mouth. The price was moved. You can see this, guys. You can book here. Price was again to the same at zone. You can book at this level, because the market is a very volatile. So you can book your level, book your profits on this level and hold your trades for the loss. Okay, because that's the going for the ASEAN, says ASEAN and the London session low liquidity price was coming to go for this level. So I am trailing myself telling my TP for the 25 pip shift. Okay, that's my acceptance. The price was fall from here. So let's see this on your stream. I am in the stream. Let's see how the market will be doing it. Please like and subscribe. You are knowledgeable from this stream, so you will be. Please like this stream. That's a good price. Will we move on? And that's my first target for the 100 pips zone. That is my first target. I'm told about this. That is my 1 is to 3 is already here. So I am first given my first 1 is to 3, and because I am risk this trade. Okay, I am risk this trade. You can see this. That's a 40 pips risk. Okay, so that's my 1 is to 3 will be here. Okay, so first I want the 1 is to 3 price was giving me. Okay, because I am trailing my SL up to the 20 pips area. Okay, so they were no, reduced my risks. So I'm wait for that. So I want the price come at this zone. You can see this why I'm told you 80% book levels here. And price was respected this the selling zone, so it will be okay. You can see this that the gap for the price was not moving, and it will be come over this area. It will be respected. Otherwise, it's called the risk free trade. Okay, but price was moving 98 pips, and how the candle will be print on this time? That's a single candle print over the 70 pips. The market is the very fast now, guys. Very fast. Okay, you can see this. You can see this how the market will reverts. You can see this. That's the gap for this. It's the trap, so it's called it's the knowledge for the streams, guys. It's the said the SL. Okay, so that's the knowledgeable for the guys. You have some knowledgeable from this because why? That's the not trading. You can see this. So the price was given the 98 pips over this area, and price was reversed from this zone. Why? That's why I'm told you the 80% book above this zone because the market will very volatile. And how many candles in market are giving this? You will understand that. So that's our good the done for the day. I think the will be smart, so you will be profitable over here. So you will be some knowledgeable. That's the big educate yourself on this zone. Bitcoin also pumping, guys. You can see this. Bitcoin also not the breakout this area. I want the Bitcoin breakout this zone first. Otherwise, it in the no trading zone. Okay. And gold is now the very volatile market. That's the ranging market. So it will be can see this. That's the risk free call. There have a 98 pips on a stream with the three candles. That's the 10 minutes will be to the good market, a good trade also. You can see this how many the 98 pips I will give. And I'm going with this candle, so I'll definitely that's now it's also tap our area. Okay, I know that's my area will be calm. So it will be good indicate on this area. So we are definitely going with this. And that's the good trade also. And you can see this how the market will react from our area. And that's the buying was respect the where the price was respect and why the price was goes up you also understand. Institutional always like this type of buyings, okay? Because there have been no more liquidity for the market will pump for this zone. So market will build a liquidity and market will pump to our this area because that's the order zone areas. So market will come on the zone and that's the how the market is react. So definitely it's okay. It's here they create a good single candle with the good candle for the selling candle. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 35 pips candle guys. Trading about this. It's a good confirmation candle. You go with this candle, 30 pips risk. So you can take one risk, small risk. What about tell you guys? Just small risk about the 25 pips, okay? Just go about the 25 pips over this zone, okay? Just half lots we are trade about this area. Just see this, how the market will react. I think that the market is now very bullish at this, very bearish for this. And 100 pips target again, I will set. That's because why I am trade because that is also I am profitable and that's our A plus A selling area. So I will entering my trades. So let's see this how will be market reacted. You can see this that's already giving the 1:1. Okay, and it is uh, clear selling candle will be printed. So it's all about the you go with the selling. You can see this that's a 30 pips move. It is also the risk free right now. Okay, that's also risk free. How the our trade exactly particular level was playing, you can see this the market live market. That's I am also marked. It is also playing more than 100 pips, and you can see this. That's our heavily level, and that's my A plus level. And how the market will do? How many pips, guys? 44 pips. OG level playing as OG. That's the averages, guys. 45 pips. 45 pips on a stream. So that's the more than I think 100 pips. Oh. What the candle, guys? You can see this. 45 pips on a the W Friday, guys. Wait and patience is the main thing in the trading. 45 pips. That's a no risks on this trade, okay? Hey, sorry, trades leak 45 pips. Just I am enjoying my trade, okay? That's a good market moving. Time hold it. Very good market will be moved. But no one can just let's come on, baby. Come. आजा मेरे नीचे आजा baby. आजा नीचे आजा. That is also the risk rated, okay? You just you go with the same SL, okay? Don't you go with this. That's the 25 pips. We definitely we are do this because that's the 45 risk free right now, and we are going with the minimal lots. So we are hold it. Where the rocket guys? Rocket. Where the rockets? Oh, you can see this how the market volatility. That's the rocket. Come on, baby. Go down from here. Come on. For my respect, this type of trade you can subscribe completely, guys. Now at the market moving. That's the 45 on the stream. The 50 pips market actually move here, I think. 47 pips over. That's the zone for the 15 minutes. 15 minutes is the king of the market. 15 minutes structure of the king of the market. You can see this the 5-minute candle have a no bottom wick. It's created top wick, so it's going for the bottom wick. It's the our favor indication. The market will be our favor. So this candle was closing above this area. You will be definitely know the price was going for the downside. Okay. So you can see this, that's the 98 pips, and that's the your already price at the 30 pips. So no one can risk free, so you will be risk free here. Okay. And please complete the guys target level. That's the again price was tapped the 45 pips. You can see this how the market will be very fast. It is not for the easy every the beginners traders. It's the very smart and the you also the scalper. So you will be known this and will understand this. That's the very smart you will be have. Then you will get some money on this. Uh, that's why I'm told you 90% 80% book over this one. The market will reverse the how the market will first reverse from here. It's falling like first, it's reverse like very first. Okay. And you can see this one thing that's the how the market will be volatile right now. That's called the volatility. The market ups and downs. So that's why I am not trading today. But that's we are profitable also. That's the 98 pips we are get, and the second 45 pips it was get. So it's the hit the SL. So we are called risk free. Okay, there will be no issue. We are also in the profits. The 5-minute candle is the playing with one. Please, we are risking the good areas. Market, we are know the market will like this type of behavior. So market how the behaving these areas. We are all knows the how the market will be reacting like this. So that's why the market how the performs. 13-minute trap everything and nothing else. Come on, don't do that. That's a good area. Come on, that's good. Good rejection candle. Please sustain like this. Good. Go from there, okay? Just hold our trade because up to we are don't take risks, so we are not take profitability. First we are take risks, so we are profitable. Otherwise we don't. said the price was pullback for the re-entries, but the market will be very choppy and the very fast. So it will be any do wrong thing and you do any lazy thing, so it will be fucked by the market. How the spike the upper sides trading, you can see this 50 minutes candle open and you can see this that's the candle is the very fast momentum. Let's see, this candle was please down for this upside and anyone can do some tensed you can exit here because that's now the break even price rate already the 15 pips zone. Okay, so we are going with this candle. Okay, beautiful market will go. That's the choppy market guys, that's the enough for the day, that's already good moving, so we have no issues. Okay, let's see, gold don't go up, goes from here. That's the enough for the day. It will it's the hit the SL. We are considered the we are accept our SL because that's the market respect for this. We are respect the market first. The very close to the our areas. Ah, fuck you. I'm going with this. 12 point is to it. I'm thinking that the 35 pips here risks because the London highs. So we are accept this the risk free with the 45 pips. So we are in the profitable today. That's the enough for that day. And market is now very volatile. That's why I'm not trade today. It's a very volatility. So I am also the cost to cost. I am cost to cost. I am in the break-even phase today. There will be no issues. Please, who watch this stream, please complete the one subscribe and complete. And I have one announcement for our community. It will giving the 500 subscriber within the January. So I'll give away the $100 account for the three accounts. Okay. And it all the market hell at it. That's the trapping. गोल्ड साला ऐसा क्यों करता है तू रिस्क पे लेके चला गया साला ये देख you can say this the market will be how to fall from here. Its the indication is the very good for this area. Okay, no issues. That's a two level already playing. So I will remove them. Okay, we'll remove them. There will be no valid. So that's a good. That's a good. There will be no trade today. So so let's check the BTC trade. The gold is the done right now. Gold have a no trade right now. Okay, guys. I'm told you. Gold have a no trade right now. The camera was some issues, guys. Just for wait. Let's check this. Okay. Okay, guys. It's good to see you that again. Let's see that. Okay. It's the camera is the fucking hell at the. Okay, let's see this. The video was cracking right now. Get the It's OG playing, guys. That's the level was playing OG. What the sale of home is the level? Just a fucking 200 pips selling in a single four candles. I'm happy with this. But it's a beautiful breakdown for the downside. We will also see this. It's beautiful breakdown for the side. We're also going with this the area. Huh? What the candle will print? You can see this the 15-minute candle, guys. The 300 pips candle in the 15-minute print. That's the intraday order block. Will tap and it will be fall from. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm also grab this. Don't tell you because that's my risk. I'm will like this and that's my target for the 100 pips. In a 5 minute with a 5 minute. I'm going with this candle and that is my target. You can see this the price gap, the liquidity. The single candle grab my target and it will fall more than like this. Oh my god. So you can see this the price gap, the liquidity. What the falling? Oh, what the candle just. print over this. The whole day was waiting. Every buyer was out. What the candle in the 15-minute guys? Ooh, ah, what happened? You buying in gold? You buying in gold? Gold is fucking. Oh my god. What the candle is that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's the 15 minutes candle like the hell at the whole day. Ooh, ooh. It's more falling, guys. It's more falling. Oh my god. Wow. 500 plus selling in the single 15 minutes candle. Oh my god. What the hell are you here? Ooh, ooh. Oh, it is more falling. I am just out. I am told about this area. It's a very important area for gold. Ooh, you can see the 1 hour candle. Oh my god. Just the sale of from this area more than 600 pips, guys. The whole bias was changed in the single fucking candle. The 15-minute fucking candle was changed. The whole bias for that day. Last 2 day bias was changed. Every bias was out. I know the price was too like same thing, so that's why my bias for the 2 day is only the selling. I told about only for going for the selling, going for the selling. You check my trades, so you will be understand how the market will be fall from there. 600 pips selling, guys. That's I entries and that's why exit with my small lots. I was calculating there. I'm not told you, and I have exited out this the candles higher than it is expected here. So it will be falling more than 500 pips on the stream. Oh my god, it's continuously falling because that's the liquidity right now. I think market cleared the whole liquidity today. Huh? That's the full liquidity market was what today? What the crash in gold? Oh my god, that's the everything liquidity. That's the only support area. Market was not respected. It was continuously falling on a day. It's definitely falling. The clear range for the falling is that no more buying entries about the any kind of zone. It's a big falling will come in the gold. The move 630 pips selling, guys. And the clear range for the liquidity. That's the everything is the liquidity for markets. It's the pending level was to playing in the next week. I think that's the 448. That's a big sale of. Oh my god. I think my gold market was crashing today, guys. That's the sale of how many candle will be printing here. No more support area. It's no more support area. I don't find any support area at this time. No existing. No existing any type of supports. It's the pure gaps. It's the falling more. I told you it's falling more. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You can see this. What the sell from here? It's more falling about this zone I'm told you. It's more falling. More than 700 pips selling on a stream. Yes, it's the more than 700 keep selling. That's the sniper. That's our level. The market was dropping. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. 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 ওই তো চারটা খুলে দেখ তাড়াতাড়ি তো চারটা খুলতে হবে oh my god oh my god oh my god oh my god ah what the selling na na hmm. Yes, I'm out here. I'm out for market on this here. It's I will be done. It will fall from here. What the hell? I think the global situation market. Huh? Guys, you can see this. Every market was dumped. The worst situation. Ah, silver was 5% down right now. Oh my God. S&P 500 14% down. 16% down. Dow Jones 32% down, guys. Oh my God. That's the worst situation today, I think. Every currency was falling. The copper 3% falling. Oh, every market was crashing today. The gold was crashing also. What the news for? I'll check first, guys. Every market was crash. Every market was falling. You can see this. Every futures was falling. Euro, the data server was full trailing. Its stock is now normal. The silver fall 5%. The gold fall 67%, 1.468. What the hell? What the hell? Gold 72% falling. What was this doing? Yes, what doing? Why this falling? The every market was red, guys. You can see this. But that's the falling we are catching. I don't know. We will investigate this, the news about the areas. Why the falling? That's the see the new news, latest news, more latest. Donald Trump, what will be saying here? Whoever silver says the vessel over value. Geospatial facilities over valid for the retail demand could be linked into the 170 per dollar. The micro stroke rises by percent. Some drug more conservatively considered about the legal risks without this beauty FDA review. It's not dollar with the very strong. So okay guys, I'll check. So you see you in Monday in the London session. And also we have all see the one more days at just the weekly analysis video. I think that's the I will thinking for the weekly analysis video we are going in the Saturday or Sunday evening. Okay. And my potential for that it's going more down from this area because that's where the gap and it will reverse from here. That's the feel the liquidity. I think it's crashing. Actually, the gold was right now crashing. Okay, it's a big correction. It is not small correction. It's a very big correction. Will be we are shown. Okay, that's the level is that, but I don't think the market will respect this buying zone. Okay, it's the trap the buyers. It's trap the buyers only. It's fall for more here. Okay, and you can see this. That's a pure bearish pattern also. So it's selling. It's a very hard selling will be we are see at this moment. These buyers, these buying loans are not valid right now. So everything will be changed in markets. Okay. So the trend was completely the downside going through. And it's you can see this that's the very high time frame market structure shift for the downside. And how the smooth level will be playing. The 13-minute this sell up for the 700 pips guys, not the simple. So that's the done for the week. I don't know who will like this stream. That more time I was streaming today. So today morning I was streaming more than 2 hours, 15 minutes, and that is now the 1 hour, 1.5 hour plus I was streaming. So please you complete the live targets, and that's the analysis. Yeah, that's the trade. The two trades was risk free. You can see this. You can don't get this. Okay, because I don't share with you trades with this, so you will forget it. You forget it this level. Okay. So you can see this that's the two level we are going on. That's why I'm lost today. That's why this two risky. I'm impatient. I know the market will do same thing. It's the one time, two time, three time. After that, the market will fall from this area. I know the market will doing same thing. It's okay. It's giving the risk free. It's okay. I am also. It's the abnormally. It's the abnormally. It's the abnormally. But it's two, three times. One, two, three. One, two, one time, two times, three times. It will be do, and the final time it will be fall. Understand? That's the big move will become. That time the market will be playing with the every motherfuckers. Market was not learned to easy that. Okay, guys. So that's my the week was closing. We are in the very profitable in this week. They are having only loss today. The 30 pips we are lost, and that's a too risky. So no more risk. Okay, so that's the good for that day. good for the week. I think everyone enjoy the weekend. So I see you guys in the next week. Enjoy your profits. Good night, everyone. Enjoy your weekend with all your profits. Good night.